Hey guys! Today we're testing water at Coal Creek as part of the Pacific Science Center's youth development program, Discovery Corp. In the 1860s, Cougar Mountain was discovered to have an abundance of coal, transforming Seattle into an economic center. During the mining process, much of the debris left behind leaked into Coal Creek, leading to harmful contaminants in the water that continue to affect wildlife even now. We're conducting a variety of tests to monitor the creek's water quality to ensure the safety and balance of its ecosystem. Many things affect water quality, and everyone has an impact on their local watershed. Watersheds are places that water travels through on its way to streams and eventually the ocean. When it rains, any chemicals on the streets and sidewalks are washed into drains and flow into nearby bodies of water. Along with pollution from coal mining, these toxins impact Coal Creek stream life and influence the environment as a whole. These chemical impacts can be minimized by people making slight changes in their everyday lives. Some easy adjustments you can make are not washing your car in your driveway, picking up after your dog, and properly disposing of your trash. This is our pH test. pH is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of a liquid. All aquatic organisms need unique pH ranges to survive, and if the pH moves outside of the range, it can be detrimental to their health. Most animals and plants thrive with a pH around 7, so that's what we're hoping to see with these test results. After adding an indicator solution to a sample of creek water, we use this color comparison chart to determine its pH value. What color do you think matches our sample? We think it's closest to 7. Testing for dissolved oxygen is similar to pH in the sense that there is a specific range needed for organisms to thrive. Just like us, everything living in the creek requires oxygen to survive, but their oxygen supply is in the water rather than the air. If dissolved oxygen amounts are low, it can make it difficult for organisms to breathe. The temperature of the water also affects the dissolved oxygen because cold water can hold more gas, which is why it's important to test that as well. High temperatures can lead to negative impacts on the creek, such as algae blooms that take up excess oxygen, creating dead zones where there isn't enough oxygen in the water for other creatures to survive. The flow meter determines the creek's water flow. Stagnant water is an increased breeding ground for insects like mosquitoes as well as algae growth, which can disrupt the natural balance of the ecosystem. In creeks, low water flow may be especially harmful to the health and welfare of native fish. Turbidity measures the clarity of the water using the checkerboard at the bottom of the tube. We can't use the result as a definitive measure of anything's test. It can reveal information about the health of the stream. Thanks for joining us on our water testing trip. Remember to be mindful of how you affect the environment. If you're curious about the impact you can make in your own community, researching your local watershed and its stewards is a great way to start. The Pacific Science Center is always working towards igniting curiosity in all of us, and you can visit PacSci.org to learn more about the Science Center's work and contributions towards the community. Thank you.